Mr. Buchner, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues from the German Parliament, very warm welcome from me too. It's a special occasion, it's a great privilege that I can join you tonight. And thank you for inviting me, thank you for having me here. The fact that I can attend this world premiere is something that inspires me with pride, not just because I'm from the local region of Baden-Württemberg, this is why Mercedes-Benz is very near and dear to my heart, and not just because I'm here to extend the heartfelt wishes of Peter Altmaier, who's unfortunately in Poland. He would have loved to go himself. No, it's a great pleasure to be here because I myself have a personal dream. I wanted to become a fun truck driver, and I wanted to tour the globe as a truckster. And if Axel Fischer, you ask me, why didn't I fulfill this dream? But tonight I can at least get an inkling of that dream come true. I can be here and I can attend that world debut, the unveiling of a truck for Daimler and Mercedes-Benz Trucks. And it's wonderful to extend the government's heartfelt wishes to this world debut. So usually this red carpet sees the stars and starlets tour the red carpet as the Berlin Film Festival, but today we've got a road star and not a rock star. So this is a star who is at home on all roads of the world, and I think it epitomizes in a very special way what this city is all about. I mean, it's right in the heart of Berlin, where you unveil the latest generation of the Actros, the third generation. On that note, I would once like to welcome you again here to Berlin, the capital of the truck world. I would like to congratulate you on a great number of innovations which you're about to showcase. Innovation, digitization, connectedness. All of these arenas are areas where the new Actros is going to re-establish, redefine the game. It will be a pacemaker in the mobility industry, and it will kickstart further innovations which are so important for Germany, and it will become the benchmark for what we vie for in the political arena. And this is why it's a great privilege that we can continue that chapter in the German history. We can create affluence and growth for the next generation. On that note, I wish you the best of success for that wonderful new vehicle. And, you know, not just industry, not just companies take an important next step here, but also the communities are about to benefit from that. And therefore, it's a great privilege that we can attend this milestone. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you very much for inviting me. Have a safe journey with the all-new Actros. Have a wonderful evening. It's great to see that I can join you. And best of luck to you, Mercedes-Benz, and the all-new Actros. Have a wonderful evening.